Yes, welcome to the podium. My name is Josh Ruby, and you're live on www.mbu.ug, our entertainment website. Leero, I have a face simpia kusho. Yes, you were with us in May, was it? May. Was it June? May, around that time. Yali na phone omusajja.
Kali myaka egyasoka mu mwaka.
Emyaka
egyasoka mu mwaka.
Yali naffe bamuyita Bruno Webs concept. Agenda kuba abeyanjulira byakola nga tetunagenda maaso. Naye leero kuba introducingira kye tugenda okuba nga twogerako, tugenda kuba twogera ku bintu bingi ebibaddewo omwaka. Then bwe tutamala leero tukyalinayo ndoza Thursday to wrapping up buli kimu ekibaddeko.
Thursday nsasage
yennyini. Kati
kyogamba sikala.
Togolero yina okubeera wa. Jimmy Nichols already kuwali gamba ye Sandra tasobodde kubeera naffe. Naye nga wali ndowooza ku Thursday ojjabba omulabako. So abaliwo yenze Josh Ruby and Bruno Webs tugenda kuba tubabulira what has been happening in the year, and you can also tell us what has made your year such an interesting one. Stories ezibaddewo Spice Diana, Katatumba, boat cruise, I mean so many things, the sad and the good stories. Zora ngwana tuzogerako. First of all, Bruno Webs, say hi to the people. And
in fact ngasina introducing bo basobola tujjukiza okubaga naffe waliwo
naffe waliwo
so they can give us a hint for tubyogerako kubanga this year has been a busy one.
Yeah man.
Yeah. So it began on Saturday and ngasina introducing a still. Yeah, Zero No Waves.
Yes man.
CEO wa Runo Concepts, about branding and printing. This is our Black Age.
Runo Concepts is sangibwa
Nassau Road in Arcade.
Mwa Nassau.
Fa Nassau Road.
Problem. Tunakuwa tukola show bakutwala.
Tukola buli kimu tukatutwaga kuyiyaliza abantu ngeze kwaga.
Kuyiyaliza.
Liva y'omuntu tukola buli kimu.
I don't know Black Age Music. Mulimu bani entambula etya? You can tell us before.
So the CEO of Black Age Entertainment, it's a record label, and tugenda ku unveiling our diva officially 1st January 2019. Twali mutandiseeko naye ebitabo. Ne mugamba ne holding and mugamba let's do it 2019 January. So expect our meter Dina Rokoti.
She has been on the show before. Abali kondo za bamula. Yalo ngabatu mukomyao anytime.
Katinga kono naze officially. Ngasiya kuba introduction. Introduction ngaze kubaraga.
Okay, Runo Webs, Runo Concepts and Black Age Entertainment. Black Age ogani monimo Dina Rokoti.
Maybe the producer sounds bit.
Yeah man.
Esangibwa opposite Fidelido.
Okay.
Kampala Road. Mu kibuga wakati.
Okay.
Simanyi studio ndale mu kibuga wakati inaje man.
Welcome to the show. Okay, tugenda kuba tugenda okwogera ko maybe enyon maybe ngamba gwe ekikyasigadde ku bwongo obwo essaawa eno. Omwaka gubadde muwanvu from January, February radio n'akita.
Exact kyosose ko kyennyini. Ekyo kiyinza kuba mu bwongo cause trust me, without radio, this industry is breaking out. Cause otunya industry, most of the women, okay, not more, like most women, were looking up to radio for writings.
Yeah.
Kubanga olaba ebiseera ebyo byagenda okufiira mu ate hits z'abakazi.
But mostly
women. Kubanga radio
bobala Rema, bobala Lilian Babazi, bobala bani abo bonna.
Kati ate ba Jasmine, waliwo omukyala bamuyita ono yayimba Sokali, Diana Kabiti. Nalubega
Spice Diana
abo bonna bannantumi.
Circumstances they are film, the circumstances in which he died twagano zikkiriza. Simanyi gwe bw'oba okitwala kuba bagamba baala bamusa musuda mukubye wansi ne kiggwera awo.
Okay. The only problem is ensi yaffe. The only problem is ensi gye tulimu gye basobola okugamba nti basoka kulira radio kufa kuteekawo kamera mukulu. So we can never know the truth. Nga tutandika kunoonyereza nfa ya radio.
Ffe tuli ku cure before prevention. Yet tandibadde.
Exactly. Nga tunanoonyereza kufa kwa radio. Tunafuna yata eki.
Tunafuna yata dance kuma
pesa oli ku radio
nga tonafuna wa radio so
okitegeera so
up to today
kijja tubeerera kizibu though twanyolwa cause I personally my people know it around me nakubanga line za radio nga uyo mimi abayipo basa punchline yeah, it's live the many people do music like music omulungi nga nyuma baina ngalobozi but there's a word radio will talk about ogende waka one ogende waka okirowozeeko. I will give you an example of I made the song I like most is called Vachonomia. There's that line ogamba ati nkulinde enkeera ne buche enkeera ate nkulinde enkeera.
Very simple but
very simple, precise but nice.
Okay, abalika abalaba, please you know what to do, just comment, like, and the best thing you can do for us is share in your groups and your timelines. Bona wantu mubagambe to live. Owen Joseph Msajja lero talaliseko. Anambi ali mukono ayiya naye ezola likakole gulo. Yatia
olunamalo emukono atagende na mugongo.
Zamboki Junior, I see you. Edgar Kazokolyo gamba stede. Jimmy Nichols, kolyo laba. Please, ngabo chali bulijjo, ngabo kibera bulijjo. As you like, as you join the show, just like, comment and share. Share as many times as you can to Nimiramo. And I will need your comment. What has happened this year that you will never forget? Chutagenda kwela bila ekikulemedde ku bongo, both the good and the bad. Tugende ku Moze Radio, yagamba the death of legendary Moze, na eche chimu kyamulemeddeko. I think so many people bakiremeddeko. Now, before we even move forward, nga tunampa kyakubiri. What has been the impact since he left? His demise, his departure.
Somehow, Mobi, the industry, yakendera mukama, because whatever fight, they leave us thinking. If you for example, Bobby Wine at the force of Bobby Wine, people power everywhere. So you are thinking, Singa Mozava deal. Yandibadde no oba yandibadde all those gaps we left kwanga ye Moze yagalanga nnyo omukulembeze w'eggwanga ku mutima, so we are wondering Moze yaganye Bobby Wine ng'omuntu ng'aganye omukulembeze w'eggwanga ng'omuntu wandibadde okakali yali musajja yali munnakatemba omulungi because he was the full package of MDD nga you can never know what he brings on table nti weebuuza nti ku people power aliwo would radio go to Bobby Wine's side
go so be that. But anyway, whoever is watching, you know what to do. Just give us change kulemedde ku waliwo katatumba waliwo spice dana waliwo ebintu bingi ne Moze Radio tumwogeddeko. What would be the next? Maybe to give my of course Moze Radio, that is
because whatever they are pakakati waliwo donations mu management more funds, in fact even the funds go divided kubanga woli nyimba abamu batukano kwa Kizina King Sara tenyimbe na za radio. So
and there is an element actually I don't know King Sara tanajegana so
no the problem is ekizibu kiri kimu nze nyinza okuwoleza King Sara writing is naye ate we mpulira King Sara omukadde ne mpulira ono kansoke ni taxi so come like tumanya bandi bane point abana
stove
ate nga abamu balaga nti balina obujulizi
abamu balaga nti waliwo obujulizi kituufu. Okay, tugende maaso njagala tugende ku kiddako. Moze Radio agenze yes twamuziika kyali kuziika muganda
afe tubamanyi bakyali bakifeesi wali yonna batukuba ekiboko okufaako obufi
naliyo ne Owen naye misinde gye twadduka
omuyaye akutunza t-shirt yagumu kitundu nga gibrandize nagikusaba ngufuluma sente ze ezangise muno naye nga yagigotozizza.
But anyway, Owen akomyewo naga the arrest of Bobby Wine after the Arua election switching it out
si fast forward gwe kati ataabo
first of all waliwa amawulire ogafunaga
amawulire ogafuna tegera kunsinyako
twogere eno show yaffe ya muntu wa bulijjo
Bobi Wine bagenda omusiba. I was home. Ebyadala sinza kuliwa munne naye mikalakasa. Nali waka. Though sinza kulimba mu t-shirt sazikola nazikola. Is that Bobi Wine?
Okay. Someone says some English for our foreign viewers. Okay. We'll speak a little bit.
Oh, shall try.
We shall try. Where were you?
I was home.
You were home.
Yeah, though I can't on live FB. I can proudly say I printed Bobi Wine t-shirts because I love Bobi Wine.
Well, that's when he's already in jail.
Me, I began before.
Before it.
Yes.
Once you knew he was taking up a political ambition,
I
jumped
began
on
before.
board.
Because even most far-best people, including Bobi Wine himself, including Mickey Wine, those people know. They know that I was doing their
Branding.
Their branding, most of their branding. Yeah.
The campaign t-shirts.
The campaign t-shirts, like these t-shirts, people power.
The berets.
People know. These ones know. But
how have you survived?
No, me, I'm not a politician. I'm printing for Bobi Wine. I don't print for Kyagulanyi.
If Bebe Cool came to you, would you?
Yes. In much pain.
So for in much pain. So it's about the money.
It's about the money. Though some, by the even border people, they take some people. If Bebe Cool comes with the money, I work.
Today, Bobi Wine, Bamukute, they arrested him in a hotel in Arua. They tortured him, allegedly.
Exactly.
They really, Yarimo Pain with Wamula the first time we saw him, that's in court. And then he was released.
The only problem with Bobi Wine was one. Bobi Wine, even now, we have Bobi Wine, we have Sentamu, Kyagulanyi Robert.
So who was arrested?
The one who was arrested
was Sentamu.
Allegedly was Sentamu, Kyagulanyi Robert. But in our hearts we know Bobi Wine was arrested.
The one who was arrested.
Because this guy...
Okay. Police yakwata Sentamu.
According to them.
Ne Bobi Wine agamba gwe batwala.
Bombi batwala kubanga kutubuzabuza batwala muntu omu.
Okay. Mbala baliko naye kati let me say impact kije kiresewo. First of all, Bobi Wine's involvement in politics.
Okay. Nze ndi muntu wa wansi. Nze ndi ku ground. Apart from speaking of the perspective here, nze ndi wa wansi. Somehow causes it has affected some people. Most especially people in the music industry, like upcoming artists. Because most upcoming artists in Uganda want to portray this image of I'm a musician. Because no one in the media fraternity will take you up when you're looking in Howley. But most, like now these upcomings, most of them plait the hair.
Yeah.
So right now, police with the hair, they'll be like, they'll just take you. Or they once you have hair, because they'll remember. Yes. Long time these people taken as madmen. They know what a musician can do. Influence Javana yo.
Please share as you watch. Oh wait.
Long time Muimba joke.
Yeah, it was a joke.
Was a joke.
But today, these are the people in parliament.
These are
the people.
Let me give you an example.
Trying to overthrow the.
Let me give you an insight here.
Together, man.
Let me give an insight. When Bobi Wine was campaigning in Chadongo East, I used to watch some guy called Sitenda Sebalu. That was the NRM candidate. Sebalu, who was the NRM candidate in Chadongo. Okay. His point was to the ground. So Bobi Wine is his people tebaina ndagamuntu tebajja kulonda. Understand? So they took him for a ride. But when the results came out, Sitenda Sebalu had 4,000 votes. Bobi Wine, in fact, is on coming. Bobi Wine has had 25,000 votes, meaning all his names was the Gassi, Zafno Obululu, Okusinga, Sitenda Sebalu. You understand? Nti Bobby got 5,000 votes. Wine got 5,000 votes. Kyagulanyi got 5,000. Sentamu got and Robert. This is 2,500. And Sitenda Sebalu in his capacity got only 4,000. The Bolivian Bobi Wine.
Politics.
See politics. The cut right now. Omuntu yenna eyalaba that in Chadongo wouldn't take a musician
as a
ride. Right now, if Jose Chameleone came up and
but I think, okay, right now it has gotten to that point where we have certified, but musicians have been taken seriously, dating back to Ojukira Tubonga Nawe. That was 4 years ago. 4 years ago, bafuna abana ne babateeka that Jose Chameleone, Juliana, Reddy and Weasel. I'm talking about the people who are in Tubonga Nawe. Why I'm bringing this up is because the government eya Museveni yalaba importance y'abayimbi in their political ambitions. They brought them on board. Jose Chameleone, Bebe Cool, Bani Bonna. Because that's showing importance. You're important. You have funds and what?
Whatever to Bonga now. To actually have a project here, Museveni. The project is our. Uli mukuru weze kwa ngatamanyi kinomo yimbi gyali. Abaman naye
ogamba idea yali ya muntu.
Sina idea. Oli abayisawo sente ze. Nage naliramu omukulu wansi namugamba naye kimenya twalese kamiliyoni tufuna obululu. Omukundi mwiza namugamba chiko namugamba chikole kubanga utayina time advisors wakitegeera yaliyo etomula ko abantu empina yakola yaliyo okay Hilda bona abasinga abali mu entertainment abajjanga they were more of a joke babiri yayita kubanga gospel wikiri kyate ne competition at Steve this is Bobby Wine who came the Kampala
both feet on the ground.
Yes.
Owen Joseph agamulese politics emboko we navuga se mu Peter abasajja abo kati bakabwe tawali politics wano. Carl, you're tuned. Thank you. Solomon Stabos, Good Life Soldier, falling. Okay. We're going to Syria, Good Day, international media, and everything else. Today we look at Bobby Wine. Again, Charinga was also a big topic actually. Bamuganyo performing ne bangamenti ko is it
abamukiriza
Boxing Day
yabakubiye ngoli ko parliament ne batia
tijurati bamukiriza but he will be performing at Busabala, that is on Boxing Day 26. That's Bobby Wine. Katineri ku government side ya Bebe Cool wagenda berayo ekiwatu there will be a show same day
national
same day 26
ekiwatu
so
mutima gwazabu
that is when we shall wait kuba walo side je bagamba waliyo obuchupa ayo no side so anyway wherever you will go
mmanyisa no topic eyo obuchupa
edudi Joseph Owino, Mr. Joseph Owino, you're watching. Thank you for watching. You're locked in. Together, Masolo Waves. Kubida Bialiwo, we've seen 2018 to be a year of so much.
Yeah.
Njagala tu kano tukaite mangu nnyo.
Yeah.
Angela Katatumba.
Jamaica wamu chitategereke. Oli wake chapo wa simanya bishika kechapo badali mu butungu lisoya yimukamula.
Is Jamaica. The Baba kubirao ku good ku Chicken Tonight Kabalagala. And you all know, at least you followed it up. But we brought even Katatumba on the show.
Let me inquire. Yeah, I watched your show by the way. It was a busy show. Mwaimaka zigzazike zao nga utaratara. But let me inquire.
Aja batandiko.
Diplomati, hotel diplomati yabani.
Yanjira.
Tebafumba mbili.
Bafumba.
Katika mtwala.
Andi katika mtwala. Oyino mchade waka.
Mwina bulungi nnyo.
Tafumba mbili.
Afumbira ddala.
Jolira bulijjo.
Mbasi bayo. Okay, kankubuuze. What is the distance from Kabalagala to Hotel Diplomat Muyenga?
Si pampu, we're almost.
Kwe gambe yawo yali mu Boyinga kipisinze zikawa.
Bali wise.
Inga tebafumbi.
Naye namwabira bananga. Onotagenda kunsola munsoyi. Katolu wa maslapping bajo. That's your big story of the year. That is Carly Milot.
Banga yerabidde nnyo.
Wali kutuliwo. We want to talk about it. Tugera byogerako bambi. Don't worry. Echa gundi tetwamanya webyakoma but Angela was suing them. Actually, she sued them. they appeared in court.
Okay,
I don't know if she was compensated.
Mushobbies. They were very ningambo omuntu nti I've the person. It gives me space. Okay, Eleman would call it a console.
Now you're saying this as a manager?
Yes.
Of music?
Mushobbies, I would call it a cover-up story.
For my lack of music or lack of what?
Eventually, one artist I respect in this industry is Jose Chameleon. You know why? He knows what to do when. I'm going to give only two scenarios.
Okay.
One, Jose Chameleon. That's what exactly to me I think Angela Katatumba did. Music industry, if you have a bad story and you fail to cover it up with a story of because Uganda is fast forward.
Yeah.
Jose Chameleon comes up as Kakolia Kazindaro, the minister. Kushoye. Mwa mkyamogera ko ne ambala gawo. Oba nasoma simanyi. Nasoma. Negamba Chameleon asomya ne mwera bya Kazindaro within one day. Because yalinga Friday
it was actually the show was on Friday, the graduation was on Saturday.
Exactly.
The next day, I think.
Kati ne muva ku Kazindaro ne muda ku gawo.
Atenga te graduating.
Simanyi bya.
He did because him naike nyini yachogera. They say yali mugundi they brought him as an influencer kati ye orange yabuza.
Okumfluencinga asomya obulungi.
How can you influence abasomi nga gwe tewasoma? Musajja Owen yali.
Naye Chameleon musayansa ngagamba senior 6 biti.
Senior 6 awosomi.
Munango wesimo wa president. Ne wa MP.
Now nene senior 6 but elimo kano.
That was just one story. Do you remember when all the televisions were talking about Bobby Wine wedding, even Bukede Alaga wedding live, is it?
Yeah.
I remember. That was Bobby Wine wedding on 2011, 20 what?
It has been
like 2011, 2010. Okay, me occasion Bobby Wine wedding. Every story like prior to the wedding, byonna nga get Bobby Wine. Kama they were taking story eja emkwano mali mwera bida nasiramu. Jafari Gaddafi ne mudda kwecho ne mwera musajja yakoze embaga. That's why I respect Chameleon. He knows when what to do.
Okay. So eno yali stand go wachiraba ya Katatumba
console another okumukuba benzo kwanga yakubema kwanga olibya ina yete tumonye bali soba buli wa mvidi tetumuka kasata yali ava Jamaica gwe no genda America baku ngoli road like the Americans ask you, are you Jamaican? We employer because these guys are rude. So this guy maybe somewhere at you nekati ngamba like cover up story yukira Katatumba musali nga ambassador simanya ambassador to you bichi ebyo byagamba if you come up with like a cinema ngali story ngeye what we alikiriza ngamba yi atamba
so yakivamo smart na suwinze mama tuko kusenta suwinga tuliye Katatumba yalika she was on this show actually Angela Katatumba when that event happened najana tugambe chalo everything so I don't know if next year we can have her at Chigale Rumu but we are planning to jaba tumuchali maybe hotel diplomat togereko kubigenda
kankubuli story emwe combined efuze 2018 ba manager bagobeddwa
kati yawe tugenda okulwa
kuba manager bagobeddwa
eyo music tayi Prochich Samuel I see you boss Thursday show tujikolerawo Mr. Samuel simanyo bategese nenga tugenda okolera wrap up wali ekisasi onaba oli we shall go and just a wrap up okay there are some ideas here oli agambe Katolu Bwama that's Carl okay Edgar Kazibu says Michael's genuine
oyo pass and go just oli oyo pass and go
but it was also Charlie Moyo
oyo kyatankole kyali kimu Uganda we kuwa kisoka okujja tukuba tune
awe no kufulumiza
olabanze wemba no muyembi nga fadings nakola story ejja
eri magnitude we
artist no limba ndugula writer ni wansa sente ki ankole oluyimba
Roger Otis, you've joined the podium. Thank you for watching. Edgar Kaziwe comes again and says Platinums and Zari separate. That was on Valentine's
But
Day.
you see,
February 14.
The first time you knock yourself, it's an accident.
Mm-hmm.
The second time on the same spot you knock yourself, it's a kill you. Platinum is a kuno, but it's a mauli. Kubanga munobi. Yeah, no.
Why you keep Benda going to World Cup?
And he performed here, it was news.
It's on a church is zero. Chips and ketchup says Samuel. It was a church, I think. So it was to very good. I got ghetto kids in the US and the BTs, very good stuff.
Yeah.
So to document too, it's a manager as well. This is the music industry. It has always been diverse and so fast actually. Music wa Uganda duka. Though this year, abakazi bakoze nnyo okusinga abasajja. Do you concur? Do you agree?
Abakazi bakoze.
Musically.
Gama Mugambi, they have pulled up their stockings.
No, they have done more than the men.
Yes, but pulling up their stocks. The women. Because if you're talking about the women who have actually done well, the usual. Wetubanga tuyingiddemu abantu balinga basatu oba simanyi oba wali watuyingiddemu. Manyo Chosen Beck, gwe badogenda okwogera era ffenna tumwogeddeko Chosen Beck.
Yalitakola bulungi nnyo. This year I can so Gamanti, she's among the top 5 artists, not just female artists, top 5 artists in Uganda. Bobagasse n'abasajja. Waliwo abakazi abakoze obulungi. Irene Tale yakola concert yali nungi. The musical ekabuzeemuko katono. Rema Namakula, her concert was very good. The musically ojabo kyogerako bakazi kyabalala no babadde ozijja Jasmine
yeah
and a couple more banji bambi bakoze bulungi abakazi. That's why I say that if we are to rate now, I'm rating this on the male standards. Women have done quite well this year. So kati bwetuda kwekyo kya management tutandikira awo ani agoba tuyimiriddewa nga tugenda mwaka omupya era lwaki.
If you're talking about abayimbi ogoba artists, music managers ogoba abayimbi, my most surprise yali and events. Abalonzi obutaba surprised tikubanga tili Chosen Beck twawuliranga nti manager Kamenyo mwana wa mama. The reason kulwaki kizibu wali atiwa Savage okuva wa Donny Jazz kubanga Donny Jazz wakabe oba kitegeera ekintu ekyo naye bagamba amazima gakaawa. If Victor Kamenyo Chosen Beck amugambi gwe walemera okuwa wakabi nganze kulwaki olowooza ogende kunfuula wakabi, what would he say? So look, okay, what would it?
Angel as Piliqueta, I see you.
So I gamba defense here. The reason Beyonce is sticking around Jay-Z, one Jay-Z wakari. Now you know who wakari.
But okay, now you're saying this in terms of music managers who are artists as well.
In fact, just what they Chosen Beck as an example.
Kale today kucha B2C.
B2C and is
first of all, bolaba checha leta obuzibu. Nga tubudde ku bye batugamba kuba bayizo tugaayibagala.
Ekizibu kyaliwo kiri kimu. Nti mu Uganda kanigende ne ba artist kubanga nze nako okugenya sigeya abantu wabula njagala njogere ku kyemmanyi. Njagala njogere ku gwendalye.
Go ahead.
Yes. Tewali. Kale mugenda kuzijugiza. Sira nanko artist. Nga ina manager we nga bali apa. Manager nakwata sente. Nateka mu kivulu. Kivulu ne kigwa ne basigala bonna.
Regardless of whether it's a success or not.
Mpayo omunzi jukire
Palace.
They are success. Everyone.
No flop.
Nani no mulenzi. Chokolinde. Gizard. Ne Gizard. Ani ali promoter weke kivulu kan kuzenga bega.
Bache kwera bonga promoter. Tewali promoter kuba tebafuna na ba sponsors.
Niki promotions yakola kikwesha.
Niki promotions. Okay. Bamuletamu. Ndozamuletamu nga face.
exactly kati mpa face yali mu kibulo kya Nat okwawukana ne manager wa Makadde yali yabo waliwo simanya bikinga bali aba babiri olwaggwa gundi anzibye ne kiggwa bitu sani eyabirimu bapangisa bintu byabwe ne bagenda bafeno disimanya biki oyo gundi n'abawolesa
batch kuba bachabalemu
bo according to them batch kuba
their level
kankubuli walo kebeita batch kuba naye tebatch kuba okitegeera
bagamba kyekimu n'oyo omwami shows kyezibaddewo wano wakati wano Africa teyakuba both ways teyakuba wano
kati byebyo biyinza okuleta
Jose Chameleone bagamba
yakikuba
yakikuba
naye tegakikuba kati iyo industry nti artist yenna wabadde manager we ne beerimba nti katukoleyo ekivvulu
so anti kati goli manager sagala ombuzeewo you're a music manager.
Yes.
First of all.
I'm not a promoter. Why should I set up a show? Don't just apply for me to a savage.
Twinza okutayimanya naye kati kyenkubuuza kiva kuki kati nga mu case ya Ande Music.
Yes.
Why do you think it happened like that? Kinadde nkubuuza.
Abaana bali basatu. Balina mikwano gyabwe, balina bakyali.
Bawololo.
They watambula nabo. So they go to these shows, they be backstage. Julio kimanyi nga tukikubye. Nga tebalenya na ku stage, okimanyi nga tukikubye.
Kimanyi zino sente zitulinga mu kadde 10.
Okitegeera nera abantu bonna bono bukadde 10. So you go
ogenda na kushongo amanyi ogalina.
In fact, before even looking at these ones, the Julios, who was the event organizer of Irene Talezi Shirt Serena? Eyawa Chankanya ni Julius. It was Swans Avenue. Nebategeka ekivulu ekya Gondi. Very successful. Ntale n'agamba I was given 6 million.
Yeah, it was money issues actually.
If she was given 6 million, ng'ovudde mu kwesudi, like how much is that venue Serena okugipangisa?
Ogenda tuzambingi obudde sibulagawo.
Exactly nti bo tebalaba dynamics. Yayagala nyimbye abantu mbalabye yagala sente za
sente.
Tamanya nti they booked the event.
Tamanya nti nabamu like half
balance akalango tukamanyi. Akalango kali expensive. Bayino kosaza TV eziyimiridde. Bayino media like enako zino.
Sente zigenda wa.
Oyino okusasula mbudo kikomu.
Oyino okusasula mbudo tugisa.
Si oyino okusasula mbu. Bayino okuteekayo.
Ekito.
Wata sasudde. Kivuli kyobuuza Gondi.
Abalaye bagoba mulimu Salongo ono Chameleone. Yali manager. Chameleone yamulaga nga manager.
Salongo sira gyomanyeko kinga vudde ku manager Chameleone.
Omanyeko bya bulimi simanya biki. Bagabo simanyi oweni asino.
Salongo siraje yali manager wa Chancellor Rebecca.
Okay. Ngadana dawa Chameleone obaddako.
Ngatana yimba.
Chameleone ngadana yimba.
Salongo siraje. Muye.
Salongo muyimbi.
Mubuuze. Aina kemba kaita Masao, ngiddawo Masa.
Bamugoba.
Eyo katemba wasa.
Netuda ku Lydia Jasmine. Kale goba Bushington.
Kuvadda. Omanyi Jasmine sijagamba nti mumanyi bamumanyi oba twemanyi just mulabula ye muwala wa industry gwenda bagwempagira.
Mangu kubedda kiganda oba tulina dda.
Gwempagira ali awo. Naye natulako lumu naye nga naye tuteruko mafani interview yise nga chama ninga Helen Lukoma. Ne muulira nga banyumya nga agamba kimu. Mugaita ampanyo time. Akitegera meaning
Washington.
Maybe.
He's a very busy man.
Very busy. So for them I don't want to be back on a bad blood. Maybe we don't know. Yeah, got omuntu amuwa time.
Na ate omwati mweba akona bad blood lwaki bwe ngenda tompa account zange.
I didn't take away sente zange ozinsasudde.
Yanti bad blood.
I see mpa sente zange nkuwe kubanga ongambye ofunye omugaga. Omugaga suka mpa sente zange. Tericha, waliwo ekyoweerere.
Okay, tuveewo awo.
Kati
omulala ni gwe bagoba? Manager?
Ono omupya mwennyini.
Tuzimbeka nti twamu.
Omupya Jasmine yo nagoba Kampala. Araka atakyalina arake. Oba bazzeewo.
nenga kubalala baliko Edgar Kazibaganya Swans Avenue tour because of obuchupa ndowooza obuchupa obuchupa bwa dominating a concert yeyo tetujjukira nti International yaliko wano
oyo naye yansala okola oluyimba lw'abana Uganda mbu Uganda no my brother tugane kwejaka that song is bad. Okay,
Kanye West Kim Kardashian in Uganda
tetujja byogerako waliwo ebintu Bobby yagamba tetutabiwa makulu.
Okay, kubye twogedde ku bana obudde njagala tutwrapping up kubye twogeddeko biggest topic was radio of the year
and it will always be the biggest topic this year 2018
and of course
Bobby Wine.
Yeah.
Abasigadde bano
Ngoke natuvudde ku bya boat cruise. Kubana hiyo
ya nikakubulira amazima genyini. This is my own opinion about the boat cruise. Boats always capsize. Always. But just this one was because it had people
high profile.
Don't call them high profile.
There were some high profile.
Okay, exactly. Because if you say high profile, because of the high profile people, you're taking in some kadenges we know who was.
Okay, there were some high profile people.
Okay, you that's the correct word. Some high profile people like the Wasa Jazz, like the Irina Mobilus.
Yeah.
Also some the other ones. Those ones, because remember that's the boat they say Mujami. So these ones they're not high profile.
Okay, they killed.
Yes, but
yeah.
But really we can't say that it's a
big. No. It's not a big issue. Okay.
But it will be
in
big.
The entertainment industry, not as big, but it was a big story.
Yeah, because yaita security measures kumazi kubanga mazima genyine eyate yakapsizinga buli yagera kweka yali manyi lyafadda
bobagamba
buli yagera kweka yali manyi this boat lulibo lifa understand so tetuli muwenye na like a story ya naku nyoko you remember you were saying entertainment.
Yeah.
Entertainment is kunyumirwa tweza kunyumira kufa.
Yeah. Anyway, so the biggest stories you can say have been Bobby Wine, of course, politically, and radio.
You can't despite like tweza kwera bila. You can't forget the girl called Spice Diana. She has made it 2018 in last. So Spice Diana, thanks manager Roger, olimukubiwazara mulungi because Spice Instagram verified. Facebook is it also verified?
Twitter too.
Na Twitter. Spice ki.
Touch them bulungi bokka.
Nemo be ask njengamba nti you have to do what it takes.
Whichever
way. Kubanga kati amwadika blue tick. Agenda la ngulima #Spice Diana 32. Who is 32? So they will get concerned.
Yeah.
Then you what usimanya musika request mbyemo koleli. Gamba kati page yange bahakazi basuse. Kolya what?
Aina concert ku 25
katamusabire
so
kubanga Spice Diana
abasobola mwadigenze
omulyo gwali mu 2018 kati simanyi
waliona
kubanga
ebintu no bibaddeyo bingi mu
school fees
OTT
kati hata OTT ajatuba uchupa ati OTT yaito uchupa
ayo anagamya mulala Mourinho ndoza shekwerewa kudaze tugenda bafena natukola wrap-up nga tetunagala
leero tubadde mukapera
era leero tubadde mukapera Thursday tugenda byonna tugenda bikuwa tugenda ku bintu bingi nnyo tugenda kukola ne music rankings what have been the biggest song of the year the biggest flops of the year.
Okay, before you ranking before the Thursday trap just go kubira mu opera wa bantu 10 bolo bakwede just trapping hey go just 10 people
njogere manya
just yogera manya
Spice Diana
nesonga just emu
nakayimba
nakayimba
32 Lydia Jasmine enyimba almost zonna zinkolede waliwo gwe ngenda okwogera naye nga temujja kukirizaganya nange naye nga nze nyumiddwa Angelina
ebibaawo
shegwere wano
nedda
tugenda kuddamu
kamali abange